Hello everyone. So we have been solving NJSLA Algebra 1 questions from release items. We are on the topic quadratic functions and solving quadratic equations. Feel free to pause the video and try to do it by yourself first. So in this question, it is given us one quadratic equation, x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And something is given in the drop down. Just like all options, x choose plus minus or some numbers plus minus some numbers. There is a multiplication here, if you notice. There must be. So if it is quadratic and when I notice that they are not quadratic, because of that, I think I need to separate, or I need to factor x squared minus 4x plus 3 into two linear factors here. Then I need to write them, okay? So let me write it here. X squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we are looking for two numbers. Their multiplication is positive 3, then their addition negative 4. There are many ways to do that. Some of the teachers are using X method, some of the teachers are using parentheses, some of the teachers are using crossing. No problem. At the end, you need to get the correct answer, okay? So let me use X method here. So multiplication should be 3, then addition should be negative 4. Tell me two numbers, multiplication is 3. If I say 1 and 3, multiplication, since 3 is a prime number, so 1 and 3 is only the option, but negative 4 I get here when they add them. So think about the negative numbers. So negative 1 and negative 3 is the best option definitely instead of positive 1 and positive 3. So negative 1 and negative 3 multiplication is positive 3. But negative 1 and negative 3 addition is negative 4, okay? So it means that x squared minus 4x plus 3 can be factored as x minus 3 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we got it already for the first option. If you choose minus here, definitely you need to choose 1 or 3, no problem. If you choose again minus here, you will choose 3 since you have selected already 1 there, okay? And you make your just like expression as x minus 3 and x minus 1 in this way. Or you make it x minus 1 comes first, x minus 3 comes later. That is also correct, no problem, okay? One of them will be 1, one of them will be 3 in these boxes, and the operation will be minus minus. Then later they ask what x is equal to something, x is equal to something, okay? If, by the way, if there is no option of plus here, okay? In previous, if there is no option of minus here, sorry. So if they put x plus, if they force you to put plus, for example, then you put here negative 3 instead of 3, okay? Because x plus negative 3, since it is becoming again x minus 3, don't worry about it. If they force you to choose plus here, if there is no minus operation here, so you need to do what? X plus, you change the sign of this, make it minus 1, okay? Make it minus 1. So it is becoming x minus 1 again. So in case there is no negative here, let me write it with a just blue color. If there is no negative here, so if they just like question, if they just system or what they prepare in the question, if they just force you to do positive, so change number here, okay? Be careful about that. So then later we need to solve it. Since x minus 1 times x minus 3 is 0, according to zero product property, x minus 1 will be 0 or x minus 3 will be 0, okay? If x minus 1 is 0, x will be 1. If x minus 3 is 0, x is equal to 3. So we are done. Here you choose 1 and 3, one of them, okay? If you choose 1 here, you choose here. If you choose 3 here, you choose 1 here, okay? So it means that solution will be x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 1. Accordingly, you need to choose from drop-down menu. We need to be careful about it. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.